In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a Steam account step by step. Steam is one of the biggest gaming platforms in the world where you can buy games, download free titles, connect with friends, and manage your entire PC game library in one place. If you're new to PC gaming or just getting started with Steam, this quick guide will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. By the end of this video, you'll have your own Steam account ready to go. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Steam website. You can simply search for Steam in Google or type store.steampowered.com into the address bar. Once the website loads, look at the top right corner of the page and click on the sign in button. This will take you to the Steam login page. Since we are creating a new account, scroll down until you see the option that says Create an Account and click on it. Now you'll be taken to the Steam account registration form. Here you need to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email that you have access to because Steam will send a verification code to it. After entering your email, type it again in the Confirm Email Address field. Next, choose your country of residence from the drop-down menu. Below that, confirm that you are 13 years of age or older by checking the required box. After that, you'll need to complete the CAPTCHA verification to confirm that you're not a robot. Once the CAPTCHA is completed, read through the Steam subscriber agreement and check the box confirming that you agree to the terms. Then click the Continue button to move forward. Steam will now send a verification code to the email address you entered. Open your email inbox, look for the message from Steam, and copy the verification code provided in the email. Go back to the Steam page and enter that code into the verification field. After confirming the code, you'll move to the final step of the account setup process. Now, you'll be asked to create your Steam account name and password. Choose a unique username that you'll use to log into Steam. Then create a strong password that's secure but easy for you to remember. Once both fields are filled out, review everything quickly to make sure the information is correct. Finally, click the Finish button to complete the account creation process. Your Steam account is now successfully created and ready to use. From here, you can download the Steam client, explore the store, add friends, and start installing games. And that's how you create a Steam account step by step. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.